Hi, I'm Ritika, and I'm here with my partner Rashmi, and today we'll be talking about our study, which is AI writing assistants influence topic choice and self-presentation. AI language technologies are increasingly used to augment or enhance human communication. From single-word suggestions to sentence completions and translations, these systems enable new types of interactions that reduce human effort. With the new generation of models like ChatGPT, human-like language can be generated automatically at scale. However, infusing human communication with AI-generated language suggestions can have unintentional side effects, and the societal consequences are poorly understood. We conducted an online experiment to investigate whether using an AI writing assistant in personal self-presentation changes how people talk about themselves.
We used GPT-2 as our baseline model and fine-tuned different topic models, each for hospitality and guests, interest and hobbies, and work and education. We got the initial training data from previous studies and applied further processing and computation until the topic models achieved desired performance. We integrated our models with an interactive text editor, which allowed users to accept new suggestion, request new suggestion, or ignore the given suggestion. Once the participants were satisfied, they could submit the text, which we saved in the cloud storage bucket. For the experiment, we recruited 200 participants through Prolific. The participants represented a diverse group and were compensated $10 per hour for their time. We rejected 12 submissions for very short response and reopened the study. We additionally dropped 8 submissions where the model did not generate any suggestion. Then both of us independently coded the submissions without any knowledge of the participant's demographic. Although we were aware of the topic model the participant was assigned to, we used our own judgment to split the sentence into fragments where each fragment represented a specific topic. These are examples of how the interface looks like. This one is by work and education, and as you can see, it provides the suggestion of being an independent consultant. This one is interest and hobbies. This one hospitality and guests.
When looking at our results, as you can see in the top left in red, participants using a model that generated suggestions related to interest wrote more words about their interests than participants using hospitality or work-based models. Similarly, as shown in the bottom left in blue, participants using a model that generated suggestions related to work wrote more words about their work than participants using an interest-based or hospitality-based model. For participants writing on hospitality, however, the results across treatment groups were less pronounced, as shown in the top right in yellow. Our results indicate that when people are writing with an AI writing assistant that preferably suggests on a certain topic, they write more extensively about that topic. Our analysis also showed that this effect persisted not only through accepted suggestions, but also indirectly through merely displaying those possible continuations. Our findings align with other recent research in finding that using AI language technologies in human communication not only increases efficiency, but also changes the content of what is being said. Changing the topics that people write or talk about should not be seen as a minor side effect of AI language technologies, as these technologies can change how people speak about themselves and may not only affect self-perception, but also trust and impression formation. A more extensive application study will solidify our findings and test how they generalize to different social contexts with different language models and a different AI language product. To learn more, come by our poster. Thank you.